Hello, I want to show us how to partake in short Easter quiz. Very simple. All you have to do is to download this VTU mobile app from Google Play Store. What you need to do is to launch your Google Play Store app. After you launch it, type DISVTU up at the search field, and then it will bring out the app. After you click on it, this VTU up all together. Once you download it and install it on your phone, the next thing is for you to register. So just put your simple name, your email address, your phone number, and all that. Once that is done, you have registered. After you have registered, the app will open up, and then you see the message. You just agree, and then once you follow those two steps, you will come to this page. Once it takes you to this page, you can see I have balance of 1,716 naira 30 kobo. Okay, so for you may not have any balance until you fund your wallet. But let me show you how to go to where you are going to partake in the quiz. So what you need to do is to tap these three lines at the top left. Just tap it like this. Once you tap it, it will take you to this page. Once you get to this page, tap on check other menu. Okay, once you tap check on other menu, you see the last one, Easter quiz for all. You just tap it. Once you tap Easter quiz for all, the page will open. Okay, so I've attempted it before, that is why it's showing me access denied. But for you, when you tap it, the page will open and to request for your details. So just supply your details. Once you supply your details, you can partake in the quiz, and once you partake in the quiz, answer the quiz, you will see your scores or performance immediately. So that is how to partake in the short Easter quiz for all of us. This is just to test how much we know about Easter, the death and resurrection of Jesus Christ. Thank you very much. My name is Hayo. God bless you.